Hi Doonieistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a small unboxing. So as you can see, the box is small, so I'm pretty sure you can guess what might be inside. So first guys, let me share with you the bag that I am carrying today. And in my Facebook group, the Dooneyista Den, today was Wishlist Wednesday, and it was to pretty much pull out a bag that has been on your wish list or was on your wish list, and your wish actually came true and you eventually got the bag. So this is going to be surprising to you guys, but the bag that was on my wish list was my Dooney Bourke 1975 Shiny It Vanessa satchel in the color black. I have had this bag a few years, maybe 3 years or so, and this was a bag that was at the outlets many years ago, maybe 3, 4, maybe 5 years ago, and it was on clearance, 70% off. They had this one, and they also have the white with the tan lettering on it. But this bag was at the outlet for about 70% off, and I passed on it because I just was not into the signature bags. And just lately I have started to enjoy some of my signature bags, and this is also a part of my Never Say Never 2019 series, because in 2019 I said that I was going to either purchase or pull out and carry bags that at one point I said never to, or bags that I just haven't been reaching for over the past several years. So anyway, here she is again. Very simple bag, and you guys, the Vanessa is a large bag. On both sides she has the Dooney Bourke leather patch that says genuine Florentine Vachetta leather, and then here it just says Dooney Bourke 1975. It has a cute little bag charm here, which is a nice little accessory to this bag, and has leather corners, and it also has leather handles. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I do have a full review and also a what fits on this bag, but it's in my white Vanessa. So anyway, this is the bag that I pulled out today. So let me just share with you what I am carrying in her today. Very large bag. So let's just go through some of what I'm carrying. So the first thing that I have in my Vanessa is my all-weather leather planner or agenda. I use it for a journal sometimes, and this is a vintage piece, one of the vintage pieces that I have in my collection. I picked this up pre-loved, but it is immaculate, you guys, in very good condition. So I also have my Dooney Bourke Florentine leather large cosmetics case in the color natural. So here's that. And I just paired it with my large Florentine zip around wallet in the color natural because I thought that these pieces are a great little complement to this bag. So let's see what else we have. I have my large sunglass case, and I have my little Dylan leather coin purse for my work badge and my work keys. And then I have my keys on the key keeper, and my keys are on my cute little vintage coin purse that I use to put my car key fob in, and it actually fits perfectly. And this bag does have the leather key keeper. It's not a huge deal to me. I actually prefer the nylon, just to be completely honest. Because I have had some bags with the leather key keeper, and I noticed that some of the resin or the little trim around it has started to fray a little bit. So, and I am one that uses my key keepers. So to me, it's important to have one that is fairly sturdy. So again, these are the items that I am carrying in my Vanessa today. My key, coin purse, my large sunglass case, and my planner. And this is the perfect bag because it has a huge mouth, as you can see. Lots and lots of room in this bag. And I will say that I really enjoyed carrying this bag today. As a matter of fact, I got a couple compliments on her, which was pretty surprising. So beautiful bag. Okay guys, so let's get into the unboxing. So this unboxing is another part of my Never Say Never series for 2019. I did pick up something in this collection earlier this year. It was one of my first 2 Never Say Nevers. So, and I enjoyed it so much, and with the good sales that they've been having, or that they had earlier, I decided to pick up another one. So let's see what I have. I was a little bit nervous about this color in this particular leather, so I thought I would give it a try. Here's my sales receipt, and here is the box. Here is how she came packaged. And I very rarely get the boxes, so I'm pretty excited to get these boxes. I've gotten a few from my outlet if they have some extras. Okay, so here again, here's the box. And here it's how it's wrapped. Okay guys, I'm a little bit nervous about this color. Okay, not bad, kind of what I thought. So here it is. So this is the Dooney Bourke flap wallet in the color oyster gray. So it's not quite oyster and it's not quite gray. It has a little bit of a metallic look to it, as you can see here. The camera, this is really not a true representation of this color. It's a little bit darker than what you're seeing on camera. But wow, you guys, I think I like this color. Again, I was a little bit nervous. So you guys have seen this flap wallet before in the ostrich print, and if you have not checked out the video of the unboxing or the what fits, I will put a link below so you can check out what the wallet actually holds. So I'm trying to get a good angle so you guys can see the true color. That actually here is pretty close, probably as close as I'm gonna get to the true color. But as you can see, I don't know if you can see a little bit of the metallic look to it. Very pretty. That's kind of what I was nervous about at first, is the metallic look. I don't like the metallic and shiny type look, so I was a little bit nervous. That's why I went with this color, because it has some gray in the name. So this is beautiful. So let me compare it to my steel blue. And the steel blue actually has some gray in it as well, but putting it next to the oyster gray, 2 totally different colors, as you can see. And I also bought along my Florentine leather light taupe just to compare it as well. And these are a little bit more comparable here, as you can see, but this one is Florentine leather, so it is different, but I just wanted to give you a color comparison from the ostrich oyster gray to the Florentine light taupe. And then just a quick comparison. They are pretty much the same size, as you can see here, so not much difference in size. And then here it is from that angle. The flap wallet just has a little bit more going on the inside, and it also holds more than the regular large zip around wallet. So here we go there. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to come and do a very quick unboxing just in case you were curious about the oyster gray. And I also showed this color in a handbag in my latest Hang With Me video. So if you want to see some bags in this particular color and how it looks on a larger piece, then I will also put a link below to that Hang With Me video, and you can see a full selection of ostrich bags, and a couple being in this oyster gray color. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.